how to extract text from the image. I will extract that text from the image. First of all, open any browser and go to search bar and search their image to text.io. When you search, then just click on enter, and when you click on enter, here you can see the first website, www.image2text.io. Then just click on it, and when you click on it, here you can see two options: browse or paste the link. I am using the browse. Then click on browse option, and here upload the image from where you want to extract the text, and I am clicking on it. And after that, when the image is uploaded, you have to click on submit and extract. When you click on it, it will take few minutes and your text will be extracted from the image. It is loading and it will take few seconds, and here you can see it has extracted the text from the my image, and you can copy by clicking on that option, and if you want to download, you can click on that and your text will be downloaded. And here you can see my text is downloaded.